Assalamu alaikum, my sweet class. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. So this is again new video lecture for you, and this video is related to math subject. So come and let's learn counting 1 1 11 to 1 5 15. Here you can see number 1 1 11. Which number is this one? 1 1 11. And on your book it is here 1 1 11. You have already write it, so just remember it. 1 1 11. Next number is 1 2. 1 is added with number 2, so it's called 1 2 12. 1 2 12. So again look at your book, this number 1 2 12. Read it with me. 1 2 12. And next number is 1 is added with number 3, so it's called 1 3 13. Which number is this one? 1 3 13. And look here on your book page 1 3 13. Okay, whose book pages is not completed, so you have to complete it at your home. Okay, and next number is 1 4 14. 1 is added with number 4, so it's called 1 4 14. And on your again look at your book, it's number 1 4 14. 1 is added with number 4, so it's called 1 4 14. Here is one new number for you, and it's called 15. 1 is added with number 5. 1 5 15. Which number is this one? 1 5 15. Look number 1 5 15 on your book page. And who is new student जिनके पेजेस बुक के कंप्लीट नहीं है, you have to complete it, write it at your home, and also write it on your notebook 1 1 11 to 1 5 15. Good luck to all of you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.